today's unboxing. I don't know who brand sent me this, again like the last video, but it's a small little envelope, so let's see what it is. I haven't opened it, so excited. We'll see. Hope it's something that I need and not that I don't need, because I don't want to be wasteful. Okay, oh no, I actually did order this sample. It's a free perfume sample from this brand, Oriana. I've never seen this brand, but it's the mini size. I ordered the big size one, but it's fine. It's because they ask you if you want the mini size or like the full size. I said the full size, but oh well, it's fine. It's free, I can't complain. So this one looks like, I'm gonna like, but we'll see. This is how the original bottle looks, so we'll see. This is called, what is it? I think Oriana, that's it. I thought that was the brand's name. I guess it's just Oriana or what. So this is how the packaging looks. It's very pink. Ooh, it's very tiny. Okay, so let me get this out. Okay, I don't smell it, so, but it looks orange. See better? Finally. But yeah, so supposedly this smells like sweetness, softness, orange blossom, and blackcurrant marshmallow, which I love, and chantilly cream, which isn't that like what cake frosting smells like? I don't really know, but yeah. It's supposedly those are the notes, so let me test it here. Ooh, it does smell like marshmallow. This smells kind of like the other Dossier marshmallow one, a little mixed with, okay, this one smells better than the Dossier. This one smells stronger but sweeter, and I think this one smells a little bit better. Smell more the marshmallow, which it's very sweet, but with a mix of something else, which is blackcurrant, which I don't know how it smells like, but that's keeping it like a professional scent. It's not like, it kind of smells like you can use this to go out, or like maybe as a job too. It smells very feminine, so if you don't like those sweet scents, you're not gonna like this, but it smells good. I like sweet scents, I don't mind. So maybe kind of little floral, but not really. Maybe it's the blackcurrant and the orange that is throwing me off a little. Not throwing me off, but it's like, it smells more like marshmallow though. Really good. It smells kind of warm too. I think it's a blackcurrant. Like, even though it's sweet, it still feels like warm, like a lady would wear. Like, not so much a teenager kid, but a little bit more like a lady sweet marshmallow scent. Like, well, yeah, kind of like similar to this, not this. It's similar to this one, but not the same. It's very similar. But this one I think I prefer because it's more sweeter. This one has a lot of other notes mixed in. Oh, it does have orange blossom here. That's why it has the same notes kind of, except this one has blackcurrant and this one has musk, bergamot, all of other scents that made it more strong and not smell that good to me. This one I feel like it's better. It doesn't have a lot of notes, and it smells more like it actually describes. It's not horrible, but it's not what I was really looking for. This one I feel like takes the cake on that. It smells like, if you pass by the mall, I feel like this I've smelled before, I think. Like sweet mall. Like, people, if they smell this on you, they wouldn't be like, Ooh, this is a unique scent. Well, nobody smells like this, but you smell good, but not like wow so good, because not a lot of people like marshmallow scent, but it smells nice. It smells good, like feminine. Very. It smells like I don't know. It smells good. Like also like warm a little bit. I don't know if this is long lasting, but maybe it is. Okay, I'm glad I chose it because I was like, I need a different marshmallow perfume. This one came through. I think I'm gonna be wearing this one more than the other one. Definitely check this out if you want a sweet marshmallow scent. You're gonna like it, I'm pretty sure. So yay, thank you so much, Oriana, or no, this is not the brand. Perfume de Marly. There's a brand. I'm sorry. I'm gonna smell good now because I don't have perfumes. I'm not the perfume person. I just shower and that's it, literally. So I smell like nothing because I use plain bar white soap. I don't use those scented body washes. Nothing. Just so yeah. Where's the? Oh, I thought it came with the top. I was like, where's the cap? So yeah, I'm excited. I got it.